Hi, my wonderful chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to prepare fresh squeezed orange juice. All you need is a couple oranges, a cup of ice cold water, and a juicer kitchen tool. With that said, let's get cooking. Place the juicer on top of a cup or mug. Make sure the holes are completely within the space of the cup or mug or whatever receptacle you're using to collect the juice, so it doesn't escape and make a mess. In hindsight, using glass wasn't a good idea, just in case I pressed too hard and cracked the glass, so it's probably a safer bet to use a bowl or Tupperware or something stronger than glass. Cut the oranges in half. I find the oranges produce juice easier if you cut through the side of the orange rather than cutting through the navel. Align the center of the orange halves with the tip of the juicer. Press down firmly and turn as you're pressing. Then turn back, then turn forward, then turn back, then turn forward like a clock. Just going back and forth. Repeat this process until all the oranges have released all their juices. A good bit of pulp will build up on the juicer. I discard this pulp because I'm not a pulp kind of juice connoisseur, but if you prefer pulp, you can add some or all of it to the juice if you'd like. I also find that fresh squeezed juice is a little bit too acidic for my liking, so I cut the juice with a bit of water and stir it in to combine. You can skip this altogether, though if your stomach has more of a constitution than mine, you might not need to cut it with anything at all. I recommend giving the juice a sip before doing anything to it. See what you're working with. It might be perfect for you as is. You can also add sugar or a sweetener to this if you like, but it's sweet enough for me as is. Please let me know what you think. If you made this juice, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support you all have shown. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you. If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!